reviewing my Ovalware RJ3 kind of tea and coffee maker, or cold brew coffee maker. I love this thing. I love the design of it. It just kind of looks cool. It's super well made. It's got the stainless steel lid with the little airtight seal right there. I like how you could just pop the inside out, which also has a nice rubber airtight seal, and all the seals have been holding up. You can tell they could just get pushed up just a little bit, but for how long I've had it and the price point, everything's working good. A little different than some of the other ones. This isn't necessarily a mesh because it's all metal. Some of them have like a mesh, but I do like this metal. And then since the bottom is also got the holes, you can just run the water and the sink right under it to clean it out when you're done. So it's super easy to clean. I do get a little brush to clean the inside out just because it's hard to get my hand in this tiny little hole to scrub it out. Sometimes I'll throw a sponge in there and then use like a knife or something to move the sponge around. But overall, I like this a lot. It's super stable, so I'm not worried about it falling over in the fridge or on the counter or anything like that. And I just like that it's got this nice rubber bottom. So cool product, and definitely would recommend.